Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever and wherever you may be. This is Greg Granger, the affiliate marketing gangsta, with another review, this time of Shandine's Blue Hustle 2.0. So in this video, we're going to cover the front end of the product inside the front end. Then I'm going to explain to you what Blue Hustle 2.2 is all about and all the one-time offers that Shandine is offering with Blue Hustle 2.0. Then I'm going to show you all the bonuses that I am offering if you choose to purchase Blue Hustle 2.0 from my link. And then as well, I will briefly go over the sales page. So we're going to get this party started here. So this is the back end of Blue Hustle 2.0 by Shandine. So in it, you'll get a little bit of an explanation here, how to search and get free private label rights product, how to consume the PLR content and improve on it, how to easily find your product name, creating logos, turning your logo into a smart mock-up, installing the best page builder. Personally, I use a product that is very good. Right now, off the top of my head, I'm kind of drawing blank here. Anyways, we're going to go on here. I'm not using ClickFunnels because I've used ClickFunnels in the past and I just find it too complicated. So next, step-by-step walkthrough of, that's what I use actually, is Thrive Architect. There we go. Anyways, then creating your thank you page, which is very important. Then step-by-step offer creation, step-by-step OTO sales page, then creating your OTO download thank you page, then wrapping the whole thing up, complete system, conclusion, and $1 million support, going into affiliate marketing training, finding and getting approved for your offers, creating a review video, something like this here, creating a custom bonus page, and also to purchase a program like Commission Gorilla, which I actually use for my bonus pages personally. Now, I find too that having a structure in the review videos is a very integral part. Like I said, I usually structure it with going through the back end here of the product first, and then going into explaining what the offer is about, then the one-time offers, and then the bonuses that I offer, and then going to the sales page. That's usually my structure in my videos. And I find it, the more you have a structure, whereas some people don't really have a structure, they just blast out, basically saying, just buy my product, blah, blah, blah. No, that's not really the way to do a review video. For me, like I've been taught this by my mentor, and you've probably seen him before, Ashley Perry. He's taught me precisely how to do a particular structure for these review videos, and it's worked out very well for me. So again, he goes into free traffic, and then a little bit of Facebook training, setting up your Facebook page, doing the pixels, doing a Facebook ad campaign, creating your ad set, doing your ads, and then he's got a little bit of his vendor bonuses here. So what I'm going to do here now is go into explaining what Blue Hustle is all about. It's the fastest way for beginners to make their first money ever online, and it's a method you can quickly put into action right away without a whole lot of money and get results. So for this product, there's actually the front end product, and there's 4 OTOs. So in Upseller OTO number 1, you've got the PLR Golden Bundle, which covers the PLR products, affiliate marketing system, Creativity Unleashed, internet marketing, fast start resources, lead magnet, Instagram profits, offline marketing, business in a box, Fiverr domination formula, Fiverr domination formula upgrade, explainer, Video Express, front end, Explainer Video Express, OTO 1 expansion pack, and Epic Rinse and Repeat business model. Upseller OTO number 2, you get the Ultimate Affiliate Bundle. So you get full access to his 2020 best-selling products, Confession, Listia, and $5 Monster, Green Mafia, and No Limit. His Upseller OTO number 3 is Success Mastery, so you get 1 month of premium coaching. And how he accomplishes it is through 4 Skype calls to design exclusive attack plan to start your lucrative internet marketing business. And a full 1 month of email support if you happen to get stuck in it. And upsell number 4 is the multiple license rights for $27. So this way, again, you'll get full reseller and development rights to Confession, Listia, and $5 Monster, and full multi-license rights for 3 of the best-selling products. Those were just mentioned. With dual rights, you essentially get your own turnkey digital business to make product vendor profits without creating a single thing. Now, here's some benefits you may be interested in getting. Blue Hustle 2.0. It's beginner friendly and simple to implement. You don't need an email list. Never seen step-by-step video training. No need to waste time on lengthy methods. Once set up, it runs on autopilot. It's a 24/7 income stream. $1 million support. Yes, you heard that right. And no complicated stuff. So I forgot to mention here, but if you do like this content and want to see future content like this, I ask that you click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell to get notifications when I release videos like this on YouTube. It'd be greatly appreciated because it certainly helps my channel. So again, this is the Blue Hustle 2.0, and these are the bonuses that you'll get with Blue Hustle 2.0 if you choose to purchase from my link. So you'll get Enigma, which was a previous Warrior Plus product. You'll also get free Instagram traffic hack kit. You'll get 4 proven insider tips for making great channel content. You'll also get access to Equinox Pro, which again was another a Warrior Plus product. And you'll also get a bunch of vendor bonuses that I previously mentioned in the video here. And to attain your your bonuses, you'll log into your Warrior Plus account, and from there you will go to your purchases, and you'll see the one for Blue Hustle 2.0. You click on that, and then you see this little blue box here. You'll click on that, and it'll take you to another page where you'll follow the instructions on there, and you'll be able to download your bonuses. So here is the sales page for Blue Hustle 2.0. So basically it says here, how to start a simple, profitable online business in 2021 from the comfort of your home. Step-by-step blueprint for making money online that's 100% dummy-proof. Now, this is what he says are some income proof of people that have used the Blue Hustle 2.0 system. And I really can't confirm or deny either. I can't really say if this is actually from the Blue Hustle 2.0 method, but I would hope that this is the truth. Anyways, so again, they say 3 simple steps, but we all know it's not really 3 simple steps. It's more than that. They say it's only 3 steps away from making internet riches. No. So here's more of the sales page. My internet fellow internet marketers, want to let you in a little secret. Okay, and then they get into more of the salesy stuff. And these are some of the vendor bonuses he's included with Blue Hustle. You've got the Genius Sales Letter Template, Blue Hustle Headline Formula, and Facebook group for inside tricks and special help. And here's a little bit of FOMO here, fear of missing out. I love the way these guys love to put the fear into people if they miss out here. So, option 1, you can continue to try difficult and expensive business models, or you can go with Blue Hustle 2.0. And here's a short FAQ. But like anything else, nothing is a short, quick, rich scheme. There's no fast way to make money on the internet. So as I said before, if you're on this page here, you've got the little orange boxes here. If you wish to pick it up, just click on the orange box to go to the sales page for Blue Hustle 2.0, and then click on the purchase box, and that's pretty much the review for Blue Hustle 2.0. Like I said before, if you like this content, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get a notification when I put out new videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.